Hey guys, Nick from KN Tech, welcome back. Well, we've done it guys. Thanks very much for your support and for your subscriptions. We finally got to 100 subs on the channel. So I started this channel back in March last year, back in 2020. Who knew at the time when I started that what was going to happen, right? I mean, come on, we've had pandemics, we've had all sorts going on. We've had people being in lockdown. We've had a lot more people watching videos. We've had a lot more people making videos. And thank you guys for coming along and joining me as I've kind of progressed and got my grips on how to make YouTube videos. So if we look back at my very first video, you can see it looks a little bit kind of homegrown, and to be honest, it was very homegrown. And listen to that audio, man, that really sucks. Hey guys, I'm Nick, welcome to KN Tech. This is my new channel. Just thought I'd pop up a quick video here just to introduce myself and let you know what's going to be going on here. So we've been on a couple of journeys together. I've had a few videos that have done pretty well. I've had a couple of projects I'm pretty proud of. One of them being my test bench. I really can't believe how well that turned out. And also the mini stat screen that I put inside my computer. Stick around guys, I'm doing a part 2 for that one coming up soon. Well, this was just a real quick video to say thank you guys for coming along with me. Thank you guys for hitting the subscribe button. Thank you guys for coming back every time I put the video up. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, mash the like button if you like the video, hit the bell notification to be notified when I put more videos up. Thanks for watching this one guys, I'll see you on the next one.